This is NECO past question. The question says express 0.00037 in standard form. These are the options. I have two ways of answering this question. The first one is when we are given 0.00037. The first method that you should use is what? You count these numbers of 0 because this is what? A number that is less than 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. All you need to do is just say what? 3.7 times 10 raised to the power minus 4. Or the second method is 0.00037. You start your counting from here by going to the right hand side. 1 minus 1. This is minus 1. This one will be what? Minus 2. This one will be what? Minus 3. And this one is what? Minus 4. Then you are going to have 3.7 times 10 raised to the power minus 4. This is how you solve this question. From the two options now, you see that D is the correct